How to make DJ drops for free on your phone. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm Yade Spark, and today I'm going to show you how to make DJ drops in your favorite voices for free on your phone. Drops like,
hey everyone, if you enjoy my content and want to stay connected, make sure to follow me on TikTok for quick updates and fun clips. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for full videos and tutorials, and join my Telegram channel for exclusive content and instant notifications. Let's grow together across all platforms.
and
You know what time it is. DJ Yadi Spark taking over, no escape. Just vibes, just sweat.
in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make your very own DJ drops using just your phone, using the Hailuo AI website on iPhone and Android. Watch as I create my very own DJ drops that can then be used in live performances and mixes. Now, step 1. Get into your browsing app and type Hailuo AI. Search for it and now tap on the first option and sign in with your Google account. So you should activate to desktop site for you to access most of what we need. So now here you go to tap on audio, scroll down to the clone your voice area and tap on try now. Now step 1, we need to import the voice for cloning. Make sure you are having a 10-second clear voice. For example, I have a Wigman voice. Note, I will share this voice, this Wigman voice in my Telegram channel. If you need it, join my Telegram channel using just the link in the description and download it for free. Tap on add or drop a file and import your recorded voice file from your device. Follow the on-screen instruction. I wish you the best in your craft.